Rip it. You don't have to be careful with it. Rip it.
What is that?
That's exactly what I wanted.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Batman. Cool.
What is that? What is this thing? That's a hard one right there, though. Other way. Other side.
Yeah.
You can mash the holes on top.
Whistle.
You can mash the holes on top and make it sound different.